Pirzada Mohammad Amin Shah, Secretary of the Muslim Personal Law Board of J&K, Tanveer Sadiq of the National Conference, Firdaus Tak of the PDP, Rashneek Khair of Roots in Kashmir, Sushil Pandit, Kashmiri Pandit activist, and Anupam Khair joining us from Ranchi this evening. Anupam ji, every word there has struck a chord with millions of Indians. And yet today, since morning the phones have been ringing since we played your video. There was so much anger, and at the same time you didn't give up. You ended that by saying you still hope that justice will be done. What is that justice that you still hope for 26 years later?
I think it's very clear, Arnab. First of all, I want to thank you for playing this tape throughout the day and bringing our plight to the rest of the nation. And because people have forgotten what actually happened in 1990. People have forgotten, people have moved on. There was no social media, and somehow or the other this whole exodus has been suppressed, knowingly, unknowingly, or whatever. It was not, people were not interested in this whole thing. Justice is, if I'm thrown out of my house, I want to go back. If I'm thrown out of my home, if I'm thrown out of the place that I've grown up, I have lived, I have breathed, I have gone to the school, I have just spent my life, and if I'm thrown out of that place with threats, with rapes, with being butchered by people, by killed, murdered, and have lived in the refugee camps for the last 26 years, what do I want? I want to go back. Because whatever you may say, if we are a refugee in our own country, then it's the saddest thing. And the saddest part is also we are still talking about it in the 27th year of this tragedy. 27 years the existence of this community has been ignored. And I'm appalled, and I'm sad.
You heard what?
And every single
You heard
other
what
person,
Farooq Abdullah said. Well, let's not today, Anupam ji.
Sorry?
You heard what Farooq Abdullah said. I want to open the debate with your permission. We have Tanveer Sadiq of the National Conference. You heard what Farooq Abdullah said, Tanveer Sadiq.
I was appalled.
He said nobody, these Kashmiri Pandits have to realize one thing, he says, that nobody is going to come with a begging bowl to them and say, come and stay with us. I mean, I was appalled at the sheer insensitivity of that comment.
Don't misinterpret.
No, what?
Arnab, don't misinterpret what Dr. Abdullah said. You will very easily, very conveniently, you will very conveniently
these are his exact words.
Say whatever he said, but
these
what
are his
he
exact
meant
words.
was not
don't
that.
Tell me what he meant.
Till the Kashmiri
I'm telling you what he said.
Yes, why
don't
you
tell me what he meant. I'm telling you what he
said.
Did he say that or not?
If he said what you are trying to say, he said.
No, I'm not trying to say anything. These are his words. These were his words.
You are putting words.
No, I'm not putting words.
What he said, that Kashmiri Pandits have a choice to come whenever they want.
They don't have a choice.
We feel the pain.
No, they don't have a choice.
And let's, Arnab, the primary targets were not Kashmiri Pandits. They were collateral damage of the whole, the whole wider campaign. Now, please understand, it was the NC office bearers who were killed. And even today, after 25 years, the number of National Conference people who have been killed are more than Kashmiri Pandits. So please don't sensationalize the way Anupam Khair is sensationalizing it.
This is the problem.
Please, I wish you had a Kashmiri Pandit from a Jagti camp speaking on the video. I would have felt the same. But you're politicizing it in front of the nation.
No, nobody's politicizing
you're putting
it.
The whole
Nobody is politicizing it, Mr. Tariq. Tanveer Sadiq, Anupam Khair is responding to you. I allow Anupam Khair the first response.
Dr. Nasir, how Afzal, how Dr. Guru, how Maulvi Mirwais Farooq was killed. They were Kashmiri Muslims, they were killed. 80,000
Just 1 minute. I'll allow the first rebut to Anupam Khair, Rashneek. Rashneek, 1 minute. Tanveer Sadiq, Tanveer, 1 minute. Tanveer, 1 minute. Anupam Khair will respond first. Anupam, no, 1 second. 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Anupam Khair will respond first. But I will say this to you, that Farooq Abdullah should hold himself morally responsible, because what happened to the Kashmiri Pandits happened under his watch, And since when did we reverse the system
No,
of democracy in
absolutely
order to
not.
let
It
the
was
political
Jagmohan.
class
It was
get away by
Governor.
saying
It
it's
was
not
the
going to happen?
Governor.
Today,
The same
I take
party
offense to
Anupam
your
Kher
comment.
talked about the
I
same
take offense to
Governor,
your comment
Jagmohan.
where you're saying they
It
have a
was
choice.
Jagmohan.
They don't have a choice.
Okay,
Anupam
you know
Kher,
what
do the
Wajah
Kashmiri
Habibullah
Pandits
said?
have a choice? One second, the implication
Wajah
today.
Habibullah said that I stopped Jagmohan. I told him to stop Kashmiri Pandits.
Okay, Tanveer.
But Jagmohan said
Tanveer,
no,
I want Anupam Kher
can't
to
guarantee
respond to you.
Their security.
I want Anupam Kher to respond to you.
Don't politicize.
I want
I wish
tomorrow,
this was not a blame game
tomorrow,
here
if a burglar intrudes into your house and robs you of everything you ever owned and threatens to kill you and physically
I felt
damages
the
you,
pain.
will you
We
at the
all
very
felt the
least
pain.
demand that the
I live in a
premises
place
have
which
proper
was
security in
predominantly
place
Kashmiri
before you go and live
Pandit
there?
area. I
Anupam
feel
Kher
the
is turn to
pain.
respond. Anupam ji.
I want them
Anupam
back
ji.
in my neighborhood.
Anupam ji.
But not play a blame
Lip service,
game the way you are
crocodile
playing
tears.
on the
Anupam Kher
Hindus.
is responding tonight. Anupam Kher. Anupam Kher. You have a choice, he
I
says.
personally feel I'm appalled and saddened by the response of the gentleman from National Conference. I'm saddened because he is trying to give it a completely different thing. He thinks that all of us, or 5 lakhs people who were thrown out of the world, are basically idiots and basically completely they have gone mad. First of
I
all,
never
Mr.
said that,
Farooq
Kher sahab.
Abdullah
I never said
did
that.
make that statement. No, I said first of all Farooq Abdullah Saab made, and I'm very sad about that because Mr. Farooq Abdullah I hold in high esteem. I am personally know him and he's been very good to me, but some very serious senior journalist actually tweeted that this is exactly what he said. And I don't know in what context he said. Number 2, the representative of
Exactly,
NC,
that's my
I'm
point.
sorry, I don't know his
You
name.
can't just pick
Tanveer
one
Sadiq.
part
So-
and
so-
then
no,
say
no, no,
that.
let me
Tanveer
finish
Sadiq,
it.
1 minute.
Let me
Tanveer,
finish
1
it.
minute. Tanveer,
He
1 minute.
says,
That's not
let
the
me
only
finish. No. Arnab, I want to finish.
Go on.
He says that also Muslims were killed. I am not saying that I am not sad about that, but they were not targeted to leave the city, to leave that valley. They were not targeted. Of course, terrorists killed people whosoever came into their way. Terrorists, in fact, asked
there were many people who migrated from here to Jammu.
But
Kher Saab, please.
well, then
don't distort
I'm
history.
sure.
You
Then
know
I'm
it
very
yourself.
happy
I
that
mean,
you are.
in your own.
Sir,
Of course,
distort
everybody
history.
was a victim
You are
of
not a
militancy.
historian. I am not an historian.
Everybody was a victim of militancy. I wish.
No, not everybody. Please, for God's sake, don't do that.
Tanveer, for God's sake, please tonight, please show some empathy tonight. Some empathy tonight.
It is like
Let Anupam Kher
saying.
complete.
It is
I
like
wish you had shown
saying
empathy over
that
everyone.
It is like saying that Germans also died while torturing and throwing Jews out of Germany or sending them to concentration. It's saying something like
There
this.
you go.
I'm
See,
not
you just-
comparing anybody
you
with
just
anybody.
paint the whole
but
community,
no,
the whole
no, I'm
majority
sad.
with the same
It's
brush. That's
no,
what you
it
do.
is.
I
No,
wish-
no,
I
I'm
wish
just
it
saying
was
it.
a
I have to
human-
explain to you
it
because
was
you
not
are
an
wearing
actor
a
speaking,
blindfold.
a real Kashmiri
You are
Pandit
wearing.
was
You are
speaking
using.
here.
You
I
are
would have been so
using.
happy to hear
You
that.
are.
Arnab, allow
Sorry,
me to
which
speak.
rare
I'll
Kashmiri Pandit
intervene
means in the
because
sense?
he's time and again bringing.
No.
I mean,
What is he talking
I'm
about? I don't know
appalled.
what rubbish is he talking
I
about.
wish
I don't
you had
understand that.
felt the same because we were here. I have grown up in an environment where I've been raised by
So,
Kashmiri
are you
Pandits.
trying to
My
say
teachers were Kashmiri. I
is
feel
the
pain.
debate
So
Tanveer,
is the
Tanveer,
debate
hear him.
about
Tanveer, hear
what are you
Anupam
trying to say, Mr.
I wish there was.
What are you trying to say?
Anupam
Are you
Kher,
trying to
don't keep
say-
it one-sided.
Are you
Tanveer,
trying to
Tanveer,
say
he's hearing
this
you.
But not
tragedy
Hear him.
sensationalizing
should
the
be
whole thing.
not talked about.
You are
No,
sensationalizing
are you
the
trying to say that
tragedy.
this tragedy should
I'm
not be
sorry to
talked
say
about?
that.
Yeah,
I
I'll
didn't
tell you.
want to get
Anupam
into a
Kher,
blame
Anupam
game.
Kher, let me say it. Anupam
It
Kher,
is a
let me say
political
something
problem.
here. No, Anupam Kher, let me say something.
I
here.
am, sometimes
No.
you get so frustrated with certain people that you don't even want to respond to them.
No, Anupam
The point
Kher.
is that I
Of
don't
course,
even
Anupam-
argue
Anupam
with this
Kher, okay,
gentleman.
now I get
Behaving
Rashnik and the others into the debate.
He is trying to
No, I'm
answer
not
it like a
behaving.
politician.
Tanveer
We are
Sadiq,
having
He is
a
trying to
civil
sort of say
Tanveer
that the
Sadiq,
Muslims were also
Tanveer
killed,
Sadiq,
so it's
Tanveer
okay
Sadiq.
that Kashmiri Pandits were
Of
thrown
course,
out of it. It is not
80,000
okay, sir.
people.
I
Why
feel
were they
equally
killed?
pained that the Muslims were
Why?
killed. I feel equally saddened by the fact that the Muslims were killed. But the point is, who on the 19th of January 1999 came in the streets of Kashmir all over the place, played through masjid that get out of this place? Who
Fringe
put those
elements.
posters on Kashmiri
Fringe
Pandit's
elements.
house? Who
there
did that?
There were no announcement from the masjid.
Fringe
There were
element.
Fringe elements.
What
And
have you
I
done
blame
about those
Jagmohan
fringe
for that.
elements till
Because
today?
if you,
And
if
not
you,
only for
if you
Kashmiri
go back-
Pandits, what have you
one
done
second.
for
Now,
the
I'd like to get
elements of
Rashnik
Muslims
Kher.
also?
Was the
Okay, Anupam
commissioner
Kher, Anupam Kher,
He
just
went
take a
to
seat back.
the governor.
Sushil Pandit,
So please
Rashnik
don't
Kher,
distort
Firdaus Tak and
history here.
Pirzada Mohammad Amin Shah have not spoken into the debate so far. Now, please, the problem is, and I'll say it clearly, in this country, it is considered politically incorrect. It is considered, unfortunately, including sections of the media, it has been considered politically correct to support separatists. But it is considered politically incorrect to speak out about the ethnic cleansing that was attempted on Kashmiri Pandits. It is nothing short of ethnic cleansing. No, 1 second. Now you can say the ethnic cleansing was forced on them by the fringe, but you can't deny there was an ethnic cleansing at Tanveer Sadiq. Tanveer Sadiq, let me give you a brief history lesson. Let me give you a brief history lesson tonight. Pirzada Mohammad Amin Shah, Firdaus Tak, Rashnik Kher and Sushil Pandit on this part of the debate. Let me give you a brief history lesson. Even after the Pandits were driven out of their homes in the valley 26 years ago, there have been the victims of atrocities in Nandimarg, in Wandhama, in Sangrampura. With what face are you ridiculing the insecurities of the Kashmiri Pandits? In 2003 Nandigram massacre, 24 members of 11 Kashmiri Pandit families were gunned down. It was organized by the Hizbul Mujahideen commander Abdul Majid Dar. The 1998 Wandhama massacre, 23 Kashmiri Pandits killed by Abdul Mahid Wada of the Hizbul Mujahideen, who destroyed a Hindu temple and burned 3 houses of the community. You don't want me to talk about all this because it's not politically correct to do so? But let us speak the truth tonight. I'm getting Rashnik Kher into the debate with Pirzada Mohammad Amin Shah. Rashnik Kher, please. Gets others into the debate also, please. Rashnik Kher. Rashnik Kher's turn, please. Rashnik Kher's turn, please. Calm down, sir. Calm down. Calm down, Tanveer. Calm down, Tanveer.
Please calm down and let me. I am not raising any political points today. Honestly, I did not come here to this debate. I have come with a very somber heart. Tanveer, okay, you wanted someone who has migrated, who has been forced to migrate. I am one. Let Tanveer, please allow me to speak. For God's sake. Khuda sin paas di main minute cast kar. Tanveer Sadiq, I lived in a village called Baghat Kannipora, and whatever happened in the night of 19 Jan 1990, my entire family is a witness to this, and there is no gainsaying that no announcements were made from the mosques. Even Umar Abdullah himself said that, and it must be in one of his tweets possibly, where he said announcements were made from the mosques and Kashmiri Pandits were almost threatened to leave. Now, you see, after this we moved to camps in Jammu, and I have lived in a refugee camp myself. So please don't counter this argument by saying that you have not suffered. I know that National Conference activists have been killed. They have been killed, but nobody said Panni Pakistan, Battavrusti, Batnavsan, which basically meant that we want Kashmir to become Pakistan. No. Kashmiri Pandit men, but with their women for National Conference. They did not replace the word Kashmiri Pandit with National Conference. So please, while National Conference activists were killed, Kashmiri Pandits were targeted. Continuously kill one, target 10. A lot of my father's friends, especially one, allow me a minute, Arnab, I am very emotional about it. Brilal and Choti, who were my father's closest friends, they were killed in a village in Shupian, Harman village. They were dragged by a jeep. When we received their bodies, it was small pieces of meat. I can never forget this sight. It is impossible for me to forgive these people, butchers who killed Kashmiri Pandits, and we suffered the worst atrocities. It was a genocide. If you don't agree, I will not argue with you. But what happened was ethnic cleansing.
I feel your pain, Rashnik. I feel your pain. I feel your pain fully. I know.
It's not about pain. It's not about pain.
No. Arnab, including the one in Ranawari where you live, Vetal Bhairav Temple. I went there with my daughter last year, and really I could not even take a picture because I saw the idol with its torso missing. I did not even take my daughter inside. I closed her eyes and I walked her out of this place because there are hundreds of such temples. How could you not see it?
How were you silent? No, the question is, the question is
in Kashmir today.
No, you see, the question is tonight. The question is, Tanveer, on the other side, it must be asked, and I asked Firdaus Tak and I asked Pirzada. I don't want to rake up the past, but today, if Farooq Abdullah is going to be insensitive and say that, you know what, nobody is going to come to you with a begging bowl. I will say tonight.
You're so happy to
No, one second. Tanveer Sadiq दूसरों को बोलने दे. Tanveer Sadiq दूसरों को बोलने दे. दूसरों को बोलने दे. सच्चाई पूछी जाएगी. No, one second. The question is to Firdaus Tak. The question is to Firdaus Tak. The question is to Firdaus Tak.
Politicizing it.
The question.
You're again
Politicizing it.
Politicizing
it. You want me to politicize it? You want me to speak up tonight? Then I'll tell you tonight that Omar Abdullah should know.
Yes, I'm here to
No,
listen.
one second.
I will tell you, but
One second, Tanveer here tonight. आज मुझे रोकिए मत. I will speak the truth tonight. 1 minute, Tanveer. It is no secret.
Yes, please.
Then please don't speak over me, because I am going to give you some history lessons tonight. It is no secret.
And then learn
It is no
history
secret.
lessons from me as
It
well.
is no secret. Let me complete. That the Farooq Abdullah led government from 1987 to 1990 failed to crack down effectively on the rise of pro-Pakistan terror activity, which is at the source and root of the anti-Hindu tirade against Kashmiri Pandits. It is no secret that Farooq Abdullah was Chief Minister between January 4th and January 19th, 1990. It has been reported that the first signs to wage jihad that asked all Hindus in the valley to pack up and leave was on
But
4th
when
January
Kashmiri
1990.
Pandits
And by the way, Tanveer Sadiq, by the way, the same Farooq Abdullah says today, we are not going to come to you with a begging bowl.
One line. Arnab, just
He
give
says
me
we're not
one
going to come to you with a begging bowl.
Arnab, just
Okay,
give me
Rashnik,
one
please.
line.
Rashnik and then Tanveer Sadiq. Tanveer Sadiq will respond.
Arnab, just one more line. Tanveer,
You think this is the past cannot be kept aside.
I have an India Today report
Rashnik
of
can.
April 1990 by Inderjeet Badawar. Tanveer, 1 second, please. Tanveer, for God's sake, just let me. Tanveer,
let us keep it to
Tanveer, let me
Why are we
speak.
going into
Tanveer, let me speak. Between the June of 1989 to November 1989, and this I am not quoting myself, I am quoting Inderjeet Badawar, India Today, April 1990. If you want a report, I will mail it to you tomorrow. Released 70 hardened terrorists who had gone to Pakistan, who were trained there. Now, I don't know why Farooq Abdullah government released these terrorists. You can answer this also for us.
Yeah, and facts tonight, the politicians have done zilch. Firdaus Tak. No, Tanveer, you can't dominate the debate. This is only Firdaus Tak now. Firdaus Tak and Anupam Kher, please. The fact is, no, Tanveer, the question is to Firdaus Tak. Firdaus Tak. Today, Kashmiri Pandits are asking you. You did nothing. You did zilch. You faced pressure from separatists, these pro-Pakistan separatists, and you gave in. The PDP did a U-turn after coming to power. You can't absolve yourself of blame because only one Kashmiri Pandit's family has been able to resettle in the last 25 years, including the years that you were in power. One Kashmiri Pandit's family between 2002 and 2008. You have an answer tonight. If your party stands committed to an idea of an atmosphere which is suitable for the return of Kashmiri refugees, then why is it that Kashmiri Pandits are not coming back to the valley? Why are they not coming
if
back?
You have finished. Kindly allow me to speak.
Yes, please, Firdaus, go ahead.
Google search and revealing the past will not help.
Revealing the past is extremely instrumental towards understanding the present. No, 1 second. You find my raking. You find my talking about the past uncomfortable. Anupam Kher is responding. Anupam Kher with Firdaus Tak. No, you don't want me to speak about the past. You don't want me to speak about the past, Firdaus.
I was very happy that you have initiated a debate.
You don't want me to speak about the past.
Rehabilitation and return of Kashmiri Pandits.
You don't want me to speak about the past.
You have to understand. But I think it is another misadventure by times now that we are whatever happened in past, it is very painful. I can understand the pain of my brother Rajneesh and all other community people who have migrated from the
Stop being
But
condescending
are
about
we
our
going to
pain.
take
This
this
whole
baggage?
nonsense
The
about
baggage
being
which is very
condescending
heavy.
about our
The baggage
pain.
which we
I
have
understand
all
their
inherited pain.
This is absolutely...
Anupam Kher is saying something to you, Firdaus.
Arnab, this whole
Anupam ji, kindly
attitude
allow me
about
to
being
speak. Anupam ji,
condescending,
kindly allow me to
Arnab,
speak.
No,
no, sir.
Firdaus,
I am
Firdaus,
sorry.
listen to
Your
Anupam.
thought process is no, sir.
Kindly allow me to
No,
put my
sir.
point. No,
sir, but
listen to Anupam
you
Kher.
are being condescending about our pain. Please don't be condescending. I understand their pain. You do not understand that pain, sir. The fact that you are defending it, you cannot understand that
allow me to
pain.
speak. Kindly allow me to speak. I am just saying that yes, we have a very bad past, but we have to make a beginning somewhere. We have to go back. We have to initiate the reconciliation process, and that is what need of the hour is.
That's all. Good talk.
Yes,
it means nothing.
We don't deny that Kashmiri Pandits
For
were
that-
killed. We don't
for
say
that
that they were
reconciliation
forced out
you
of
have
their
to
houses.
accept.
We had around 5
Sir.
lakh Muslims who
Okay,
were killed
okay, Firdaus,
after 1947 in Jammu.
Firdaus, don't make it a one-sided conversation.
are we
Anupam
going to
Kher is saying
distinguish
something.
between
Listen to
Muslims
it.
and
Listen
Hindus?
to it.
No,
Listen to
no,
it.
Arnab,
Listen to
we
it.
have to move
Firdaus,
forward
Firdaus,
about
reconciliation.
Anupam Kher is saying something to you.
You can
Hear him.
only-
At least hear a Kashmiri Pandit voice. आप तो सुन भी नहीं रहे.
I'm sorry.
Anupam Kher is saying something to
You
you.
can
It is not-
only
it is not
you can
Hindus
only
versus
you can
Muslims.
only
It is not one
reconciliate by
community
first
versus other community.
accepting what happened. If you are covering, you can only reconciliate by first accepting that what happened to this community and it was very bad. If you are going to mix it up with other tragedies and other this thing, then there is no reconciliation.
My concern,
Any
Anupam
reconciliation
ji,
first
my concern,
starts
Anupam
with
ji, is
acceptance.
That yes, it was a loss.
Sir, your
to
concern should
Kashmir.
be
It
what
was
is my
loss to
concern?
Jammu and Kashmir.
No, I
It
think
was
I agree with
loss
Anupam
to the
Kher.
country
Firdaus,
that Kashmiri
Firdaus,
Pandits had to
Firdaus, I want
move out of
Sushil
the
Pandit, I want
But-
Sushil Pandit
but
and
we
Mr.
have not
Pirzada.
got
Not a cricket match that it's a
We have
loss to
think
Jammu and
what's
Kashmir.
next.
No, 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 no.
How
We have
we
lost
to ensure
lives.
the rehabilitation
We have
of Kashmiri
lost
Pandits.
people living
How
where
we
Firdaus,
have
you're
to
not
ensure
listening
that
to Anupam
Kashmiri
Kher. You see, he's
Pandits
saying
are
something to
back
you
in
which I
their
agree
home.
with him. Firdaus,
We have
1
to
minute.
initiate that dialogue.
Firdaus,
Every
why
time
aren't
we
you
sit
listening?
together, every
Firdaus,
time
why
we
aren't you
sit in the
listening?
past, and
Why
we are
aren't you
only-
listening?
we are
You know
only
something,
stating
Firdaus, you are not even listening.
Arnab asked Firdaus, okay, we agree with reconciliation, but what have they done in 1 year with regard to the reconciliation and rehabilitation of Kashmiri Pandits? Let us give him one
Yes.
thing that they have done.
Yes, there have been attempts. Don't
Tell me
blame.
what.
There have always been attempts in the past.
What
and there
attempt?
have
Tell
been
me.
attempts
I
in
am
last
a representative
year
of
as well.
Kashmiri Pandits.
We have submitted a
Who have you met?
proposal
Who have
to
you
the
met?
Government of India for rehabilitation of Kashmiri Pandits. The rehabilitation and return of
And
Kashmiri
Government of
Pandits
India
is
and
on
Government
the
of Jammu and
agenda of
Kashmir is
alliance
same.
between
Sushil
PDP and
Pandit.
BJP.
Firdaus,
It
Government
has
of
been in
Jammu
our
and
election
Kashmir and Government
manifesto.
of India is same.
PDP doesn't only say, we mean by it.
What has happened? No, don't tell me what paperwork you have done. Firdaus, don't tell me what paperwork you have done. Tell me what you have done. Concrete steps.
1 second.
You
Firdaus, you don't understand what is happening in the past. Okay, all right, Rashnik and Firdaus. I want Sushil Pandit and Pirzada Mohammad Amin Shah now to come into this part of the debate before I go into my first break. Just 1 minute, Firdaus, 1 minute. Firdaus, 1 minute. 1 minute, baat suniye. Now I want Sushil Pandit to come along with Pirzada Mohammad Amin Shah. Present both points of view. I agree completely with Anupam Kher. Anupam Kher says tonight that if you have to resolve the problems of the present, you have to first understand what happened in the past. I find today that those from Kashmir's political parties are very uncomfortable when I talk about what happened in the past. You know why they're uncomfortable, Sushil? Because no, 1 second. Again, you don't even want me to speak.
We are uncomfortable.
You think you'll silence me?
You are picking one community against the other.
I'm not.
You are uncomfortable.
I'm not. I'm not. The Kashmiri Pandit voice. The Kashmiri Pandit voice. The Kashmiri Pandits are finding a voice on this channel. Are you uncomfortable with that? Are you uncomfortable with the fact that the Kashmiri Pandits are finding a strong voice on this channel? Are you uncomfortable with that?
No.
Why were you silent? Why were you silent when the terrorists terrorists marched, why were you silent when the terrorists marched on the streets of Kashmir with their Kalashnikovs? With their Kalashnikovs after having issued warnings to the Kashmiri Pandits to leave the valley? Why were you silent when the spate of killings of Kashmiri Pandits began on the 15th of January 1990? Why were you silent? Why were you silent on the 19th of January 1990, the night before the exodus is known to have begun? Sushil Pandit, please. Sushil Pandit and Pirzada Mohammad Shah. I find it difficult to believe that even today you don't want to hear about what happened in the past. Pirzada, yes, please. Pirzada Mohammad.
Arnab.
Yeah,
Yes,
go on.
yes,
Arnab.
I'm going to answer.
Sushil after Pirzada.
Arnab.
Sushil after Pirzada.
देखिए, जहाँ तक
ओके
जी.
सुशील साहब, अब हमें भी बोलने का मौका दे दीजिए खुदा के वास्ते। जहां तक मिस्टर खैर का
जी,
ताल्लुक
मैं
है,
सुनता हूं।
I appreciate जो उन्होंने
बोलिए।
कहा सही है, उनके कहीं दिल से छल नहीं गमित, ये मैं मान के चलता हूं। लेकिन क्या ही अच्छा रहता, जहां तक सरकारी आदाद शुमार का ताल्लुक है, 209 या 210, अगर एक भी जान जाया होती है तो पूरी कायनात में पूरी इंसानियत खत्म हो जाती है। अगर आपने जो 80,000 लोग मरे हैं, अगर उनके बारे में भी आपने एक शब्द बोला होता, जो उसमें इनोसेंट लोग मर गए, अगर उनके बारे में एक शब्द भी बोला होता, तो मैं समझता कि आपका जो जहन है काफी वसी है, इंसानियत के लिए आप दर्द रखते हैं। एक बात। दूसरी बात, मीडिया का जहां तक ताल्लुक है, बाकी चीजों का ताल्लुक है, आप इसको फैलाए जा रहे हैं, हमें उससे कोई गर्ज नहीं है। हम ये मान के चलते हैं कि जिस किसी को भी मारा गया, इंसानियत को मारा गया, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था। लेकिन जितने भी हो गए, आप चाहे हबकदल मसक्कर को लीजिए, उसको भी यही 26 साल हो गए। आप नवाकदल को ले लीजिए, उसको भी इतने, जहां 150 लोग मारे गए। आप छठी सिंहपुरा को ले लीजिए, क्या उनके बारे में आप एक लफ्ज भी नहीं बोल सकते थे? 209 लोग मरे, 209 इंसानियत मर गई, यहां मैं मान के चलता हूं। लेकिन आपकी इंसानियत कहां मर गई? आपका जमीर कहां मर गया कि आपने एक लफ्ज भी नहीं बोला? दूसरी बात, क्या हमको आप इतना ये गए गुजरे समझते हैं कि हर एक हिंदू का दुश्मन है? यहां मेरे जो उस्ताद रहे हैं हिंदू, अल्लाह उनको अच्छा करे, अल्लाह उनको सलामत रखे, हिंदू उस्ताद ने मुझे स्कूल में एडमिशन दिया।
Okay, have you finished?
उन्होंने मुझे पढ़ाया, इस काबिल में हूं।
Have you finished? Have you finished? Pirzada ji, मेरी बात सुनिए.
Not yet, sir.
No, I want to ask you a counter question. I want to ask you a counter question. मुझे सवाल पूछने दीजिए और मैं इसके बाद सुशील पंडित रिप्लाई करेंगे. आप कहां थे?
जी.
आपकी इंसानियत कहां थी जब पंडित टीकालाल टपलू, जस्टिस नीलकंठ गंजू, पोएट सर्वानंद कौल प्रेमी, उनके बेटे, एक मिनट सुनिए, आपकी इंसानियत कब थी? आपकी आवाज कहां थी जब एडवोकेट प्रेमनाथ भट्ट, लस्सा कौल जो दूरदर्शन के डायरेक्टर थे, they were murdered in cold blood in the valley, and why were you silent? One second, Pirzada ji, why were you silent when Yasin Malik, that pro-Pakistan separatist, जो पाकिस्तान के मर्सी पे और पाकिस्तान के पैसे पे चलते हैं, when Yasin Malik brazenly referred to the killers of Kashmiri Pandits as our boys, हमारे लड़के हैं, उन्होंने कहा। यासिन मलिक ने कहा कि हमारे लड़के हैं, उन्होंने कहा आर बॉयज, जिन्होंने कश्मीरी पंडितों को मारा। यासिन मलिक ने कहा हमारे लड़के हैं, हम आर बॉयज। आपकी उस समय आपके जहन में क्या गई थी? आप क्यों नहीं बोल रहे थे उस वक्त?
दिखाई दे रहे हैं और
क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप? क्या बात कर रहे हैं? आज मैं 1990 अभी गवर्नमेंट की बात कर रहे हैं आप। आपकी इंसानियत, आपकी आवाज कहां थी? आज हम कह रहे हैं एक पूरे कम्युनिटी को कश्मीर से बाहर किया गया है, उनको वापस लाइए, उनको वापस लाइए, उनको बसाइए, उनको सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी दीजिए। मैं कह रहा हूं, आज मैं आपको पूछता हूं, आज सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी दीजिए। मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूं पीरजादा जी, मैं पूछ रहा हूं, मेरी बात सुनिए।
जी
मेरी बात सुनिए, रहम करके सुनिए। आज अगर कोई कहे कि सुशील पंडित है, कई कश्मीरी पंडित फैमिली से देख रहे हैं प्रोग्राम, उनको स्पेशल सिक्योरिटी दीजिए, उनको स्पेशल स्कीम दीजिए, उनके लिए पॉलिसीज बनाइए, एजुकेशन में, हेल्थ केयर में, सोशल असिस्टेंस में, सब कुछ कीजिए। ऐसे मत कहिए कि आर वी गोइंग टू गो विद अ बेगिंग बोल टू यू टू ब्रिंग यू बैक। आपने इंसल्ट कर दिया, 26 साल हुए, आपने आज इंसल्ट कर दिया दोबारा।
वो कहा,
यानी कि फारूक अब्दुल्ला तब से लेके आज तक नहीं बदले। सुशील पंडित रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे आपसे। आपने कई सवाल उठाए,
यस,
आपने कई सवाल उठाए।
आंसर फ्रॉम फारूक अब्दुल्ला। अगर उन्होंने ऐसा कहा है उनसे आप बता दीजिए।
अरे भाई
पीरजादा साहब,
पीरजादा साहब, सुशील पंडित,
Yes.
देन अ ब्रेक।
Arnab, I wonder where is any scope for an argument on this issue. There is no this side or that side. The issue is genocide. The denial of genocide is even worse than genocide. These three gentlemen from the valley seem to have lead in their soul. They can't see things as they are. They work on an agenda. They have lost all sensitivity. And their past is complicit with our killers. They are justifying it, they are whitewashing it, they are denying it.
Not at
That's all they are sitting here to do.
No,
And
sir.
that is why
ये बताइए,
every
आपने
time
इन-
our rehabilitation,
आपने
our
गिन-
return is
पंडित
discussed,
फलाना
they lay such conditions,
हाँ, अगर आपने
they lay
इंटरनेट
such
की
conditions
बात की होती,
that our return will always be
इसमें लिखा
impossible.
होता कि भाई इतने 80,000 लोग मारे गए। अगर
आप
उस पर भी आपने
इंसानियत
तो
का
मैं मानता कि आप पूरे
दुहाई दे सकते हैं।
कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आप
पीरजादा साहब,
209 लोगों के नाम
आपके
लिए-
मुंह से ये बातें शोभा नहीं देती। आपके मुंह से ये बातें शोभा नहीं देती। आप एक मॉरल इक्विवेलेंस की तलाश में है।
पीरजादा
आप
जी,
कोशिश
अनुपम
कर
खेर,
रहे हैं
अनुपम
कि एक खून
खेर भी
और एक मैसेकर के सामने आप कोई दूसरी वारदात खड़ी करके उसको छोटा कर दें।
No, that's exactly the point. Anupam Kher wants to say something to Pirzada ji. 1 minute. Pirzada ji, 1 minute. Anupam Kher ji कुछ कह रहे हैं आपसे. Anupam Kher from Ranchi saying something to Mr. Pirzada. Pirzada Mohammad Amin Shah. Anupam Kher आपसे कुछ कह रहे हैं, please. Go ahead, Anupam ji.
जी
Arnab, I wish that you had not invited these three gentlemen on this show, because they will never understand the pain. They are politicians. Politicians never understand the pain. Mr. Pirzada is giving me a lecture on इंसानियत मर गई। नहीं, मेरे Mr. Pirzada is giving me a lecture on इंसानियत। ये पिछले 26 साल से इनकी इंसानियत कहाँ गई है?
नो, यस,
ये 19 नवंबर से 2090 से आप कितनी बार आपने
आप बहस बन रहे हैं,
आप इंसानियत के नाम पे धब्बा हैं अगर आप इस तरह की बात करते हैं। आपके लीडर इंसानियत के नाम पर धब्बा हैं अगर आप इस तरह की बात करते हैं। आप मुझे मेरी इंसानियत मत
तनवीर सादिक,
मैं तो कुछ भी हूं, मगर आप बहुत ही बदतमीज किस्म के इंसान हैं, इनसेंसिटिव किस्म के आदमी हैं। और नहीं सर, मैंने किसका नाम नहीं लिया, ये आप आंख से, आप नजर वाले अंधे हैं। सुनिए, आप नजर वाले अंधे हैं। आप पता क्या प्रॉब्लम है? आपने अपने आगे ब्लिंकर्स लगा रखे हैं, आपको वही नजर आता है जो आप देखना चाहते हैं। आपको क्या पता कि मैंने नहीं बोला? आप अपना रिकॉर्ड चेक करके बोलिए, क्या इंसानियत की बात कर रहे हैं आप? मुझे बोल रहे हैं इंसानियत मर गई, ये मर गया, वो मर गया। इंसानियत आपकी मर गई है, आत्मा भी आपकी मर गई है। इट इज नॉट ओनली इंसानियत, आपकी आत्मा मर गई है। और आप
इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट। आप
इसलिए डंडोरा पीटना पड़ रहा है क्योंकि आप जैसे बहरे इंसान यहाँ पर बहुत हैं। सरकार, जनाब, आप जैसे बहरों के लिए डंडोरा पीटना बहुत जरूरी है।
दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, आप इतने अंधे हैं। आप
इसीलिए तो आप और आप मुझे कह रहे हैं कि आप मुझे सहारा दे रहे हैं।
He's speaking his mind.
You know what you will do right now after the show. No, Mr. Pirzada, you know what you will do. Arnab, just a minute. Arnab, Mr. Pirzada, you know what
Okay,
you will
we're
do
taking a
after
small
this
break.
show.
No, we'll
go
take a
back
break. No, we'll
sit
take a
down
break at this point.
And I will.
No, Anupam Kher.
Listen to me, Mr. Pirzada. Listen to me. I want to say
Okay,
something to
Anupam
Mr.
Kher.
Pirzada. You know what you will do after the show? You will sit with your friends. You will tell कि आज टेलीविजन पर मैंने अनुपम खेर को बता दिया इंसानियत तुम्हारी मर गई है. And we three, me, Rashnik and Sushil, will go to our homes and we'll say, unfortunately, this was again an impotent fight that we fought against these people who have no soul, whose souls have died. You understand?
बेस्ट एक्टर इन दैट।
सर बिल्कुल सानी नहीं, ये तो ये पहली बात सच बोली आपने। कलाकारी में मेरा कोई सानी नहीं, ये पहली बात सच बोली आपने। बिल्कुल कोई सानी नहीं है मेरा, और इंसानियत में भी मेरा कोई सानी नहीं है। लेकिन आपकी ना इंसानियत है, ना कलाकारी है, और ना पॉलिटिशियन है आप। तो प्लीज आप ये इस तरह की बातें मत करें।
The problem tonight, I feel, I think the problem tonight is, no,
आप पता क्या कर रहे हैं? आप साउथ अफ्रीका में कह रहे हैं अर्नब, you know what is he doing? In South Africa he is saying whites killed black, but also blacks whites.
I don't understand this logic. You know, I don't understand this logic. Kashmiri Pandits. No, 1 sec. I go to a break. I leave one thought with the viewer tonight of Newshour. Just one thought. Tanveer and Firdaus, I'll come back to you. Pirzadaji, I'll come back to you. I have two questions to ask people. Two basic questions. I have to go to a break, and I'm going to extend the debate. Consider one fact. Kashmiri Pandits are robbed of their homes. They have been reduced to outsiders on their own soil. Tomorrow, if a burglar comes into your house and robs you of everything you own, tries to kill you, kills your other family members, and you are told tomorrow, come back, the burglars are still around, but you come back, would the least you demand that the premises have proper security in place before you go back and live there? I don't think the Kashmiri politicians mean what they say. They are playing with the sentiments of the Kashmiri Pandits. And you know why? Because they are politically dispensable. This is nothing short of ethnic cleansing. I want, when I come back tonight, Firdaus and Tanveer Sadiq, I come back to you. I just will ask you when I come back whether you feel what happened was ethnic cleansing or not, and how you can bear it upon your conscience and still do nothing. I'm going to come back. Just a short break. Coming back on the debate. Now, Tanveer Sadiq, I'd like to start with you. Firdaus and Tanveer Sadiq. Tomorrow, if there is a crime committed in your neighborhood and the victim is a loved one, will you at the very least expect that the wheels of justice will ensure that the perpetrators are brought to book and justice is delivered in the complete sense? Contrast this to the fact that those who referred to the killers of Kashmiri Pandits as our boys are freely brewing a bonhomie among themselves in the valley. Yesterday, Yasin Malik met Gilani. Yesterday. And Yasin Malik is the guy who said the killers of Kashmiri Pandits are our boys. And you say, come back. We're not going to come to you with a begging bowl. It's all hunky-dory out here. Come back. We're not stopping you from coming back. Would you come back in that situation if you were the victim?
Arnab?
Yeah.
Arnab?
Yeah.
Arnab, I'm really sad today. I'm sad because after 26 years, again, your work is done. Kashmiri Muslims are speaking. You're putting.
No, I'm not. This is about what happened to the Kashmiri Pandits.
Muslims and Kashmiri Muslims
are against Kashmiri Pandits.
That's what Kher Saab, Rajneek and Sushil said. And that's what others
are saying. Answer my question. Why aren't you answering my question?
This is a humanitarian issue.
Yeah, it's a humanitarian issue.
I'll tell you, just giving an example.
No, it's a humanitarian issue. Rajneek is responding. Rajneek on the other side. Rajneek is countering you. Rajneek is countering you. Will you listen to Rajneek is countering you.
Tanveer, I am only asking both of you a question. I am asking both of you a question. Do you know of a man called Bitta Karate?
Just 1 minute.
When you let him speak, Arnab. Let him speak,
Arnab. Somebody who had left in 1990. He came back in 1996 along with 20 family members. On his return, the family found their house, their shop and the contents untouched. They also discovered that their neighbors were willing to pay 1996 prices or moth-eaten textiles that had been lying.
One swallow does not make a spring. One swallow, Tanveer, I have heard you. And Tanveer, I have heard you. Please allow me to speak. One swallow does not make a spring. The proof of this is that out of 66,000 families, only 651 remain in entire Kashmir today. Okay, let me both ask you a question. Do you know about a man called Bitta Karate? No, Tanveer and Firdaus. Do you know of a man called Bitta Karate? Yes or no? No. Tanveer, I have heard you. Tanveer, I have heard your argument. Tanveer, do you know of a man called Bitta Karate or you do not know about him? Do you know about a man called Bitta Karate?
I don't even have to know him. He doesn't represent Kashmiri majority.
So he killed more than 20 Kashmiri Pandits. You know this or you do not?
Please don't bracket all of us.
Okay, very good. Now let me tell you, it was during the National Conference government that the case of Bitta Karate, the judge N.D. Vani said that the prosecution has not built a case against, I know this man is a killer, but the prosecution has not built a case against this man, therefore I have to let him go under 21D of the Ranbir Penal Code.
Absolutely.
Now what did your government do? Your government did not build a case and a prosecution against a man who openly has said that I have killed 20 Kashmiri Pandits. Now please tell me, for God's sake, who is going to believe, even if you have good intentions, but like the road to hell is paved with good intentions, who will believe your intentions? Because you did not, your government did not even go in and appeal and allowed this man to go scot-free, walking today in the streets of Kashmir to kill more Kashmiri Pandits.
It appears to me tonight. No, there is a discrepancy out here. There's okay. Firdaus Taq, please. Firdaus Taq and Sushil Pandit. Firdaus Taq and Sushil Pandit on the screen,
why you answer
as
this?
I want to ask a couple of questions to both.
Or not?
Firdaus, listen to me. Firdaus, listen.
Rajneesh, allow me to come in.
Firdaus, listen. I want a third case. Tomorrow, if a family is deprived of a basic standard of living due to the failure of the state machinery, at the very least, you would expect that a conducive atmosphere is created for them to return to a dignified livelihood. Contrast this to the fact that 1,200 migrants who bravely reside in the composite township in the Kashmir Valley at Jagti have already been victims to police clashes after protesting against the separatist point of view of denying them the right to a separate settlement. Contrast this to the fact that the state, despite announcing rehab packages since 2008, which had aimed to bring back 75,000 migrant families, failed to bring back even 2,000 of them as to last year. There must be a reason. You must understand. Don't have a closed mind. You have created an atmosphere of insecurity. It's your responsibility to change it.
Arnab.
Yes, Sushil wants to say something to you, and then
let me add just one fact to this.
No, Sushil Pandit adds one fact.
Just one fact to this.
Yeah.
Sushil Pandit, kindly allow me to...
let me add.
Yeah, Sushil Pandit and then...
No, let me add to what Arnab said and then you can respond. Then you can respond. Just one add. Just one fact.
Go ahead.
And Firdaus, this is about Mehbooba Mufti. She argued against giving any rehabilitation relief to Kashmiri Hindu victims, because she said,
oh my God,
this will be an incentive against their return to Kashmir. She was even against the humanitarian aid given to Kashmiri Hindus. She argued vehemently against it.
Unfortunate, Sushil.
She is on record having said that.
He denies it.
This is how insensitive you have been to us, even in our exile.
In other mouth. Don't mislead the nation.
No, she's on record.
My concern is,
she said so publicly.
Kindly, my concern is,
she said so publicly. She said any relief,
what happened,
any help to Kashmiri Pandits in exile is actually incentivizing them to stay away and not come back.
Allow others to speak as well. Sushil, allow others to speak. मैं तो आपको रोकता नहीं हूँ ना.
Let me hear what you have to say to this.
My concern is that every time we sit on a table, every time we are debating the migration of Kashmiri Pandits, their rehabilitation, relief, every time we are digging the past. And every time we are pitching one community against the other, which is not going to help. There have been attempts. And I can say you that last time the Jammu and Kashmir government advertised
against yourself.
3,000 posts. 3,000
I am not pitching it.
Especially for
you have emptied out the valley.
Out of which?
You are not allowing others to speak.
Out of 6.
You are not allowing others to speak.
Let me correct you. No, don't give wrong figures.
Because sit back and watch on television.
Because these were 6,000 posts. These were 6,000 posts.
You don't allow. Yes, I am coming on to it. I am coming on to it. There were 3,000 posts. There were 3,000 posts advertised against which 1,400 applications came. Government had to re-advertise the post.
in 2008.
This government has finalized.
No.
This government has finalized against 3,000 posts for the Kashmiri Pandit
only
youth, helping them to return back. There has been a rehabilitation plan in place.
2 out of
There
every
has been
5.
rehabilitation plan in place.
What is the rehabilitation plan?
Government of Jammu and Kashmir.
Have you ever been to these transits?
You don't allow others to speak, yaar.
Firdaus. Because you're lying. I will tell you. Have you been to any of these transit accommodations? ना तुझका घूम क्या इवन transit accommodations? समावन में ना
आपसे ज्यादा मैं गया हूँ. आपसे ज्यादा मैं गया हूँ. I have been there. I have always been there.
These transit accommodations are concentration camps. These are prefabricated camps.
Don't try to project yourself as the only.
For Kashmiri Pandits.
Don't try to project yourself as the only representative of Kashmiri Pandits.
For Sheikhpura.
Don't try to project it.
Okay.
I know I am not. There are others also, but don't lie on the
I think for Mehbooba Mufti, well, I think I don't. One second. Today,
can be
I don't know what did Farooq Abdullah mean today, apart from brazenly expecting a community whose homes and livelihoods was snatched from them, and whose please, Firdaus Tak.
Before you end, Arnab, I need a minute.
Firdaus Tak, I want to give Sushil Pandit an opportunity at this stage. Sushil Pandit has something to share. Sushil Pandit has something to share. This is not a blame game. Face the reality. Sushil Pandit has something to share. Just 1 minute. He wants to share something with you. आज सुन तो लीजिए, आज 26 साल हो गए, आज कोई कश्मीरी पंडित अपनी दर्द के बारे में दिल से कुछ बोल रहा है तो सुन लीजिए. कुछ कर नहीं सकते, कुछ करना नहीं चाहते तो अलग बात है. सुनने में तो कोई बुराई नहीं है. सुन लीजिए आज सुन लीजिए. आज सुशील पंडित कुछ कहना चाहते हैं, सुन लीजिए. गो अहेड सुशील पंडित ऑन द स्क्रीन प्लीज. सुशील पंडित.
Tanveer and Firdaus, give me just a few moments. This is a very poignant poem written by one philosopher and guide whom we value a lot, Dr. Shashi Shekhar Toshkhani. This poem is in Hindi, and I would like my guests from Kashmir to see and hear what he means. The poem is called Maun, Silence. फैलेगा फैलेगा हमारा मौन, समुद्र के पानी में नमक की तरह, नसों में दौड़ते हुए खून की तरह, पहुंचेगा दिलों की धड़कनों के बहुत ही निकट, बोरी से झड़ते हुए आटे की तरह देगा हमारा पता हम जहां भी हों, किसी दुस्वप्न में या दुस्वप्न से भी बढ़कर किसी वास्तविकता के कगार पर, दूब की जड़ों सा अंधेरे से होता हुआ गुत्थम गुत्था मांगेगा अपने लिए एक पूरी जमीन, पड़ा रहेगा हीरे की चमकती अंगूठी सा हमारे दुख की छोटी उंगली में, शरणार्थी शिविरों में हमेशा के लिए उदास हो गया बच्चों का मौन, कोटर से निकाल ली गई बूढ़े कवि की आंखों का मौन, जो हमेशा सच की तरह खुलती थीं, स्त्रियों के होठों पर जमी शोक की काली नदी का मौन, उन सब लोगों का मौन जिन्हें चुप करा दिया गया है, बेचैन पक्षी सा उड़ेगा आग के इस पेड़ से उस पेड़ पर, आधी रात को हवा के झोंकों की तरह आकर नींद के गुप्त दरवाजों की सांकलें खटखटाता हुआ विचारों में गुपचुप करेगा प्रवेश, अपने लहूलुहान पैरों की छाप छोड़ जाएगा, हर आंख से आंसुओं को बटोरता हुआ बुनेगा एक लंबी और मजबूत रस्सी, सुलगते हुए बारूद सा पड़ा रहेगा उन पुलों के नीचे जहां से गुजरेंगे झूठ के हजारों हजार पांव, और तब हमारे मौन के धमाके से बड़ा कोई और धमाका नहीं होगा. ये चेतावनी है. Arnab, thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you, everyone. It's 26 years. Anupam Kher wants to say something very briefly, sir. Very briefly, Mr. Kher.
Thank you for reading out that poem. I think that's very powerful. You know, Arnab, this is not about Muslims and Kashmiri Pandits. But biggest tragedy is when we discuss tragedy as statistics. Then I think it's sad.
Yes.
My request to other gentlemen, especially Mr. Pirzada, that don't come with preconceived ideas. Go tomorrow to camps, what he means, what he said. Go tomorrow to camps. Make them feel better. Give them better possibilities of at least living standards. Make their living standards better. While they are there, make their life a little better. That will be, I will understand, and I'll say sorry for being rude to him on the show. But you sort of say that मेरी इंसानियत मर गई है, मेरी वो हो गया है, ये हो गया है.
I'm
You have already decided.
I'm closing
and
at
I will
this
say
point,
one thing.
Firdaus.
I will say that in Kashmiri, कि while Mr. Pandit was, while Sushil Pandit was reading the poem, he must be otherwise thinking, if he is thinking like that, then nothing can happen.
I want to thank you all.
So,
here is an opportunity to build a bridge. It is not Hindu versus Muslim. It's not Kashmiri versus Kashmiri. It is an opportunity to come together and bridge the gap. It's 26 years. Even now we can hope to bridge the gap. Thank you everyone for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight.